wozala shala wozala sidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Magesi 0, Orlando Pirates 3, Mdlalo Betway Premiership, match day 28 for Orlando Pirates. Magesi, basepha ezansi, lose yabo ye 15th of the season, meaning that 2 rounds. First round, second round, that means first round we league, bamlose wonke. They had to scramble for points in the second round of the season. If it's Ibala mathematically, not what happened throughout the season, but lose yabo year 15. But for Orlando Pirates, this was their 19th win of the season, or 20th win of the season. 20th win of the season. Yeah, Sundowns with 19 wins. This season, 20 wins this season. Bobzin, it's a tough league. It's a tough league. Yeah, it's a tough league. When I talked to Jose Rivera when he said there's a point machine in this league. If you want to win it, you have to do better than them. But Bobzin, let's go to Peter Mokaba, where Orlando Pirates has collected 3 points against Marquez.
Shane Mwanwami, well done to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Well deserved Shane. Ku Orlando Pirates. I don't think ukhona umuntu obeyacabanga ukuthi ngenzeka mhlambe imihlola. Into nje nami ingijabulise or ngicake ukuthi yazi mangibona iMagesi. I-change venue bengicabanga ukuthi khona okungcono abafuna ukukwenza. Or maybe kubancedile or kulama pitch mhlambe lawa afana nabo Peter Mokaba or isishikho ngabe bathole maybe more than 3, I don't know. But mina bengicabanga ukuthi njengoba baplan ukuyiletha la khona something abafuna ukuyenza, but unfortunately Shane ngibona iPirates dominate konke ama department. Uma ungayibheka the way iMagesi icala ngathi ifuna ukwenza something. The first 3 minutes I think ibonakala ngathi ifuna ukuzizo attack Orlando Pirates. Then kwadlala to for 5 minutes kuyalapho, but Orlando Pirates inele ukuscora lela goal Shane. Yaqala ya control umdlalo. Until the last whistle. Unala khona ngibona I think 70 minutes ngibona ngathi zami yo attempt iMagesi. But ayikho into yenzayo because mawuthi yabheke Orlando Pirates beyingenhla ku Magesi Shane. Njengoba ngisho ngithi kuwonke ama department. So going to iside layo iMagesi uma ungabheka Shane uma ungathi uyayibheka okay Pirates beyinikeza iMagesi leyo pressing uma ngabe iMagesi ibamba ibhola knowing very well ukuthi angeke iMagesi iwadlale lawo ma passes ukuthi mhlambe ithi ifuna ukuzo break iOrlando Pirates, but Orlando Pirates bekuba lula for yona, but give credit ku coach uShabalala into engichaza ngayo ugoalkeeper iMagesi, the handling, the positioning. I think i-height imshayile Shane. Ngichaza i-handling yakhe uma ngithi nje ngifuna ukumbheka amabhola amaningi uma esandleni uyakwazi ukuthi awabamba sipositione kahle. But uma ungabheka iside labo umkone ngiyacabanga ukuthi umfukengi no bani ubuthelezi ubani the 2 center back. Shane uma ungabheka uyu umdlalo umfukengi engizama ukuthi ngithi mhlambe bekanganikeza iMagesi ku controller ibhola mhlambe ukulishare. But ulishare nabo bani abomajola baluza amabhola in the middle of the park because uMakhawula no Nombatha bahlezi kuba bayabapressa. Ayikho into iMagesi ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe bengayenza, but for iOrlando Pirates njengoba ngisho ngithi bheka the way badlale ngakhona Shane badominate le ball akusikuningi mhlambe iMagesi ekwenzile Shane, but for iOrlando Pirates ngicabanga ukuthi iyenze konke oku right kumele ukuthi iwine le game Shane machine.
Do you think they missed their defender because he was suspended? I think it was Matima, the defense Magesi. He was suspended namhlanje, and also their regular goalkeeper Elvis Uchipezes, according to what we heard on TV, but he was sick namhlanje. So you think
Uchipezes.
According to what Magesi said,
I
mean that's a team with doctors, Bobzin. So if their doctors are saying Ubani is sick, we have to go with what the doctors are saying, Bobzin. We can't go over ngapha kwalondo. So mhlobam, cheap as
Ubusika
well.
bungenile Shane, iwinter ingenile, umkhuhlane uyangena.
People are getting the flu.
Yeah, so uma bakunikeza report ukuthi umdlalo uyagula, mabathi umdlalo une-injury. But ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba usho Shane bayimise kakhulu liya defense uma ungabheka nokuchiphezeza, ngiyacabanga the leadership yakachiphezeza. Njengoba ngisho ngithi uBoy for mina wenze kahle mhlawumbe nge-height, but nayo uchiphezeza if beka khona ngicabanga ukuthi beyangeka ivimbe Orlando Pirates njengoba sibonile nase Orlando akazange ayivimbe uchiphezeze. So ngicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates even if uchiphezeze beyangaba khona iwin beyibavuna beliqembu leOrlando Pirates Shane, because ubhekena the way Orlando Pirates idlala ngakhona, ubhekene eMagesi the way idlala ngakhona. Khona umdlalo osebenchini uVandal, bengicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bangamnikeza lelo thuba, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi ucoach the way by ngakhona leya game angiboni ukuthi akuqali man abadlali abafana nalabo nokubathola Shane abo Vandal, because banokuluza lawo mabhola, but into engakutshela yena ukuthi iwinga engilaziyo nalo ngicabanga ukuthi linokuthi likunikeze something bona uma ubabona njengomdlalo ofana noMuvhango. I think today uMuvhango umbonile ukuthi bekuye naye ozamayo ukuthi ufuna ukwenza something, but Shane Orlando Pirates Shane, and njengoba ngisho ngithi coach Wado kunento angichaze ngayo, angisho last ngeke ngathi mina ngicela ukuthi bangaspeed ngalendlela baspeeda ngakhona, even though Orlando Pirates leader yangithola. So kumele ngimnikeze credit njengoba namhlanje uma ungabheka second half the way Orlando Pirates ukwazi ukumanage leya game Shane, yilento engicabanga ukuthi i-energy yabo Rally, i-energy yabo Police uzoyidinga uma uyodlala neDurban City. Save leya energy, bangayenza amarana amaningi angaka, but today bakwazile bheka second half the way bayimanage ngakhona leya game, bese kuhamba ibhola ubheke uSiyema noSibisi bebakwazi ukuthi babambe ibhola, but balinde opponent ukuthi ayibuye because they are leading. So akunasidingo sokuthi we can go all out, because now into ebalekile Orlando Pirates njengoba Mr Nke wakutshela 1-0 uphakamisa leya trophy. Akudingi ukuthi ungaze mhlambe, because obvious Shane Mamelodi Sundowns angeke ishaya amagoli amaningi uTS Galaxy njengoba wazi ukuthi when they play against TS Galaxy akusigame elula. So nayo Orlando Pirates ngicabanga ukuthi uma ngabe ikwazi ukuthi izikorele lawo 2-3 goals then I manage game, ibuye ihambe yodlala neObid izwinele leya game Shane, iphakamise leya trophy. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi izoba yenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu. Just umbuzo nje nami usangibuza ungakaqedi, ngizofuna ungitshele mhlawumbe ngabe ulwazi unalo, because ngibone ubuye eDobsonville ukuthi ingabe se iObid itholile ivenue yokuthi iyodlalela lapha neOrlando Pirates.
Hey, Bobzin. According to what I saw yesterday, there was a statement, I think I will show you, from Royal Bafokeng Stadium. But there's no way good to go out umdlalo park like game. So that venue yase Royal Bafokeng Stadium is out, completely out. And I don't see Kalayo. Sakhumbula mos iMagesi, I mean iObid, they took Kaizer Chiefs to Nelson Mandela Bay because the stadium was unavailable. So when you're looking around the country, a neutral venue for them will be Moses Mabhida, but unfortunately Kaizer Chiefs has already booked him up in Mabhida for their last game against the Chippa United. So world class. I mean, South Africa obviously is a country with world class stadium. Obit, they won't be short of venues. There's the Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium available. There's the FNB available. They can also go to the arena if they want to. Remember, I think in when there was a time last season where Sundowns were playing a CAF Champions League against a team from Lesotho. That team played Sundowns away at Lucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium. Then they played Sundowns at home at Lucas Masterpieces Moripe Stadium. Yeah, it happened. So I think I know Reza.
Ngiyacabanga beba save ama cost Shane lapha because bebanga babiyele emuva phinde babuye and ama ground siyabaza bana but ikhona Olympic Stadium lapha. Olympia Stadium ikhona. Ngiyacabanga neDobsonville. Even though ngaba access wethu ngiyaunderstand but ngiyacabanga ukuthi bangayihostela nakhona neMasterpieces Moripe. Uma ngabe akuna ama games abangawadlala mhlawumbe bangaya khona but asazi Shane because sinawo ama stadium la khona kudlala kudlalela khona iWorld Cup maybe bayimikisa khona Shane asazi.
We do have world class stadiums Bobzin.
But usho ukuthi bangayise Aaron
I mean, if Bobzini, they feel like they can take their home game there, and abanali khaya Bobzini, if abanali khaya Bobzini,
no munga host umuntu kuyi away kuwe but ufuna ukuyihosta nawe kuzokujabulisa lokho.
no Bobzini, if abana khaya mhlobo wami nali khaya ndibanike, if they want to go to the arena, it's open, they can take their last game to the arena. Tina into siyazi ukuthi arena is asidlali arena nge last game because it's an away game, but if someone wants to go there and make it their home game, we are more than ready to be the away team at the arena. But Bobzin masivale mhlobo masivale at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium is Magesi 0 Orlando Pirates 3. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Thank you.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.